I love the new furniture. It's looking very stylish in here and fabulous. Makes us want to grub and have a good day. The chairs are really comfortable and I like the atmosphere.
No, pues están algo bien, la neta, están bien cómodos.
Sí, combina muy bien los colores y bien a gusto nosotros, el grupo.
Sí, está bien colorido todo, muy bonito.
Pues están muy bonitos los colores.
Interesting. It's interesting. It's weird.
Weird.
Pues me gustan los asientos, la color de las sillas y así todo.
A mí me gustó que todo se ve más moderno y más bonito.
The furniture is nice. I like it. It's different and it's actually comfortable.
The furniture looks nice. It makes the lunchroom look better. It makes it shine more. Makes it pop. You know.
It's really nice. I really like the new seatings.
To me, it looks like a college campus, like you would walk in and see college-bound students everywhere. With that said, please make sure that you take good care of it because we want future classes to be able to enjoy it. It's beautiful, it's lovely, and keep it that way.
Hi, the furniture at school is actually really nice. I liked it better than this one's better than last time.
Cafeterias. It reminds me of a little Disney Channel cafeteria. And it's pretty comfortable.
I agree. I like it too. It's very modern and I feel like we can make friends easier.
Muy contentos, estamos muy contentos con los nuevos mesas y sillas. Se ve todo muy bonito, los sillones, las mesas. Espero que los estudiantes los disfruten mucho y los cuiden sobre todo.